Hello, it's Sarah from MAKROZ, and today we're going to talk about the three most common types of conversion tracking that we see within Google Ads. The Google Ads native conversion tracking, the tracking within GA4, and lastly, server-side tracking. We'll talk a little bit about the pros and cons of each. Now, the first conversion tracking solution that we'll talk about is the Google Ads native conversion tracking. Now, this is going to be best for ad optimization. In fact, Google considers it to be the gold standard of conversion tracking within your Google Ads account. And it will be good for things such as enhanced conversion tracking or view-through conversions. However, keep in mind that the Google Ads pixel is only going to count Google Ads converting traffic. It won't give you a good picture of your organic traffic or what's happening through other mediums. The second conversion tracking solution is one through GA4. Now, this is one that you would set up within GA4 as a key event and then import it into your Google Ads account. Now, the good thing about GA4 is it will give you insight into what's happening across multiple channels in the search ecosystem. However, it's not so great in terms of fresh data. Typically, the GA4 data will be delayed 24 to 48 hours. It also won't show the conversion happening at the same time as the Google Ads pixel. Now, the Google Ads pixel will give you the conversion happening at the time of the ad click, whereas GA4 will give you the conversion action as happening at the actual time of the conversion action. And this is typically why we see distinctions between the reporting in Google Ads native conversion tracking and GA4. Now, the third type of conversion tracking that we're going to talk about is going to be server-side tracking. Now, this is kind of the new modern way and one that we're seeing more and more within our accounts. It's best for data accuracy, privacy, and website speed because it doesn't have to run as many heavy scripts as it would if you were running through GA4 or through the Google Ads native pixel. However, it is going to be quite technically complicated, and you typically would have to hire something like this out. It also could come with a monthly payment for maintenance. Now, which sort of conversion tracking should you use for your Google Ads? It depends. Now, typically we do like to have a mixture of many different types of conversion tracking within your account. However, only one set to primary. So for example, if you have the Google Ads native pixel, we would set that to primary, but also have GA4 set to secondary, just as an additional metric that we can balance results off of and compare to. If you have any questions about your conversion tracking, or if you'd like to talk to us more about your Google Ads account, then contact us here at MAKROZ.